The Earth is a strange and mysterious place. Beneath its surface, within hidden valleys, deep caves, and remote deserts, lie secrets that defy explanation. Rivers vanish without a trace. Lakes petrify life instantly. Forests twist in impossible directions. Volcanoes burn in colors that science struggles to explain. These are not legends or myths. These are real places, documented by scientists and explorers, yet still shrouded in mystery. They challenge our understanding of nature and reality itself. Today, we will explore 12 of the most mysterious locations on our planet, where the laws of physics, biology, and geography seem to bend, and where the unexplained becomes undeniable. 1. Red Lake. In northern Tanzania, there exists a lake that glows a bright red under the sun. Its waters are so alkaline that birds, bats, and small mammals that touch it are instantly petrified. Their bodies are preserved as if frozen in time. Yet, somehow, flamingos thrive here, walking across the lake's glowing shores with apparent immunity. Scientists understand the chemical makeup, but remain baffled by why some creatures survive while others perish. Red Lake is a surreal landscape. The shoreline, dotted with calcified animals, resembles a gallery of life and death frozen in time. Standing there is like stepping into another world where nature itself seems to sculpt reality according to unknown rules. 2. Disappearing Falls. In Minnesota, a river flows normally in one direction but plunges into a deep hole in another, never to reappear. Known locally as the Devil's Kettle, anything thrown in, rocks, logs, dye, disappears without a trace. Geologists have investigated extensively but cannot explain where the water goes. It's as if a portal opens in the riverbed, swallowing everything and hiding it in a place beyond reach. Visitors describe a strange, uneasy sensation standing near the falls, as if the landscape itself is defying natural law. The disappearing falls remind us that not all rivers obey gravity or logic. 3. Hidden Cave. Deep in Romania, Movile Cave has remained sealed for over 5 million years. Inside, life survives in complete darkness, feeding on chemicals rather than sunlight. Spiders, worms, and unique microorganisms exist nowhere else on Earth. The cave's ecosystem has evolved completely in isolation. Scientists are baffled by the cave's biodiversity and resilience, as survival in such toxic, oxygen-poor conditions should be impossible. Exploring Hidden Cave is like stepping into a parallel world, where evolution has written its own rules, untouched by the outside world. Every inch is a reminder of how life can persist against unimaginable odds. 4. Glowing Lights. Norway's Hessdalen Valley hosts mysterious floating lights. They hover, dart, and vanish unpredictably. Witnesses describe them as intelligent, almost alive, changing color and speed in ways no known natural or technological phenomena can explain. Scientists have studied these lights for decades using cameras and sensors, yet the phenomenon remains unsolved. The glowing lights transform the night sky into a living canvas of unexplained activity. Standing beneath them, the valley feels electric with mystery. The sky itself seems to be alive, showing secrets that humans cannot yet understand. 5. Twisted Forest. In western Poland, a grove of pine trees bends at the base, forming perfectly uniform curves. Hundreds of trees twist in the same unnatural direction. No natural process, no human intervention explains this alignment. Walking through twisted forest is disorienting. The trees appear deliberate, as though nature itself is creating art in defiance of logic. Scientists have theories, but no definitive answer. Twisted Forest remains a testament to the unexplained, a living puzzle hidden in plain sight. 6. Eternal Fire. In the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan lies a massive crater that has been burning continuously since the 1970s. Created during a gas drilling accident, it was expected to burn out quickly. Yet decades later, the fire persists. The eternal fire glows brightly at night, casting an otherworldly light over the surrounding desert. Scientists cannot fully explain how the gas continues to feed the flames or why the fire has remained stable for so long. Visiting this inferno is surreal. The desert feels alive, the heat palpable, and the glowing pit seems to breathe as if fueled by some unseen energy. 7. Bleeding Glacier. Antarctica hides blood falls, a glacier that pours red, iron-rich water over the ice. Microbes survive inside in complete darkness and oxygen-deprived water, where life should be impossible. The waterfall looks as though the glacier itself is bleeding, creating a stark, almost apocalyptic scene. Scientists are fascinated and perplexed by the ability of life to survive in such extreme conditions. Bloodfalls is a reminder that life adapts in ways we cannot fully predict or understand. Even frozen landscapes can conceal astonishing secrets. 8. Frozen depths. Beneath 4 kilometers of Antarctic ice lies Lake Vostok, untouched for over 15 million years. Despite extreme pressure, freezing temperatures, and total darkness, microbial life survives in the water. The lake has remained isolated for millions of years, creating a hidden ecosystem with life forms adapted to conditions no surface-dwelling organism could survive. Frozen Depths is a hidden world, a time capsule of evolution that continues undisturbed beneath the ice. It challenges our assumptions about life and survival on Earth. 9. Mystery craters. Siberia's tundra is dotted with massive, sudden craters. Some span hundreds of feet in diameter. Methane releases or underground pressure may contribute, but no explanation fully accounts for their formation. These craters appear in patterns suggesting a hidden natural force at work. Standing near one, the ground seems almost alive, reminding visitors of Earth's raw power and unpredictability. Mystery craters challenge geologists and climatologists alike, illustrating how little we truly know about the forces beneath our feet. 10. Enchanted Circle. Romania's Hoia Forest is famous for unexplained phenomena. Visitors report lost time, nausea, ghostly apparitions, and electronic malfunctions. At the forest's center lies a perfect circle where no vegetation grows. Soil tests reveal nothing unusual. Scientists have no explanation. The enchanted circle seems to distort reality itself, creating a space where the natural and supernatural collide. It's a haunting, mysterious place that continues to draw explorers and thrill seekers. 11. Vanishing Isles. Throughout history, sailors and mapmakers have recorded islands that later vanished without a trace. Some existed for centuries, then disappeared entirely. No erosion, no known currents explain their disappearance. Vanishing isles remind us that even our best instruments and maps can be wrong. The oceans conceal secrets that humanity has yet to uncover. These islands are ghostly remnants of a world that can shift and vanish without warning, leaving only mystery behind. 12. Blue Inferno. In Indonesia, a volcano emits intense blue flames at night. Sulfur gases ignite in ways hotter and brighter than chemical models predict. Next to it, a turquoise acid lake glows in the night sky. Scientists understand the basic chemical reaction, but the intensity and persistence of the flame remain unexplained. Blue Inferno is a spectacle that feels almost supernatural. It's a place where Earth seems alive, breathing fire into the darkness, reminding us that nature can be both beautiful and terrifying. From lakes that petrify life to forests that warp reality, our planet is alive with mysteries. Science can explain some, but many remain unsolved. These 10 locations remind us that Earth is stranger than fiction, filled with secrets that challenge our understanding. The world continues to beckon explorers, dreamers, and the curious, urging us to seek answers, even when they remain just out of reach. The unknown is everywhere, waiting for those brave enough to witness it.